Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about the Ledger Stacks metal case. So say hello to the liquid metal case. If you guys like this video, smash the like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. We'll talk about it every episode. So this is an example of a simple ledger. For those of you who have not seen it, Ledger has come out with their brand new Ledger Stack. So guys, taking a look on the Twitter. So this is where I noticed this. Their Ledger Flex, Ledger Stacks, these are some of the most high-end hardware wallets. So yeah, I mean, if you can afford it, if you want to pay a lot of money, I think these are good options. They look cool. But again, it comes down to what you want to do and what your price point is. Most people starting out in crypto, I wouldn't recommend you go out and buy a $600 hardware wallet because you're not earning any Bitcoin or any tokens. You just have a good way to hold your keys, but you can do that with other devices, which we'll talk about. So I'm always honest. So guys, this is what we're taking a look at here. It's the Ledger liquid metal case by Ambush Design. So I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions. So let's check it out. We're looking at this together. So I'm going to assume that you're watching this with me and you're thinking like, man, like, would I get that? Would I buy that? So Ambush Ledger liquid metal case limited edition. So it's a limited edition case, okay, for an already expensive wallet. So this is made to fit your Ledger Stacks wallet, combining style and security in one exclusive security accessory. So first thing, $700 almost with shipping. It's going to be $700 Canadian. Let's call it $500 USD. This is what it looks like. So I think it looks cool, but guys, like metal or not, this is very, very expensive. If you were to even tell me this was $150, I'd be like, you know what? Maybe. But $600, let's like almost $700. You know, I'm going to assume it's US prices. Let's say it's probably what, 550 USD. That's probably even with shipping. Like, that's expensive. That should come with the Ledger Stack. So the price is out there, but the reason they're doing it as well is so that they do have a high ticket item. Clearly, Ledger is trying to push themselves towards the upper echelon of like high end. You know, you're talking like now we're Ferrari, Rolls Royce. We don't want to be Ford. We don't want to be, you know, an entry level hardware wallet. We want to establish ourselves as the expensive guys. So they do have lower entry products. They've been doing well with it. So even if we take a look at the, was it Stacks? So I've never used the Stacks. I like the idea. It's like the first liquid screen, like liquid, what do you call it? World's first secure touch screen. Forget the name of it though. Anyways, but what I do like, I want to mention something. They do have these magnet shell protection cases. So this one includes it. And already guys, this wallet is expensive. I like that. I like the fact that you can fit it in a wallet. So let me share with you what that looks like. And I think those are cool. And those are only like $50. So let's go to that. Maybe under accessories it would be here as well. So let's go back. So guys, comment down below if you've used any of these accessories. So here we've got the Ledger Flex Magnet Folio. Really cool. So I do like that. Here's the magnet shell. They also have a clear see-through one. So the green one looks cool. I think these are great. These are great. But then getting into their expensive stuff, it just seems to be a little ridiculous. So I like these. The Stacks magnet shell. These are nice. Like this is something that I would buy. Like if Trezor made something for their wallet that was a little bit better. I know they have like the silicone ones, but you know, or even this. If they had a little pouch for this, I'd probably pick one up. So the yellow one I think looks pretty filthy. That one's pretty nice. I don't know why. Yellow looks cool for that. The images are really nice. I like the way they're branding it. But guys, would you pay the same amount? Would you buy $1,000 iMac and then pay $1,000 to protect it? I don't know. That seems a little egregious to me. It definitely is. So price point, I think they're 3x off, which is a lot. But they're establishing themselves as the premier place to go for stuff like this. They do have other options for hardware wallets. I even have a link if you guys want. I forget what the code is for that, but anyways, check it out in the link tree. The smaller wallets are great. So if we look at the S Plus, this is something I use all the time for my Cosmos. So this is a good entry level wallet. This is 110 bucks. That's a great price point for a wallet like this. Connects well with Web3 wallets. If you're doing staking, yield farming, you want a good hardware wallet that supports a lot of native assets, especially the layer ones and ERC20 specifically. That's going to be a good wallet for you. So yeah, I just want to share my thoughts and opinions. I think it's stupid expensive. I don't care what kind of video they show. There are better options. Guys, we have Tangem. So guys, head over to the link tree. We got Tangem links for 50 bucks. You can pick up a hardware wallet. You don't need a case. Put it in your wallet, which is already a protection case you got. It's 50 bucks for a 2-card set. So anyways, that being said, guys, comment down below. Do you agree that the price point is way off? I do. I don't have an issue with the product. That I think it looks good. But the price point, terrible. Cheers.